Hi, I'm Paul. We're doing Leetcode must-know interview questions. Today's challenge is subsequence. So, given two strings S and T, return true if S is a subsequence of T, or false if it's not a subsequence. A subsequence is different. A subsequence is not the same as a substring. A subsequence of a string is a new string formed from the original string by deleting some or none of the characters without disturbing the relative positions of the remaining characters. For example, ACE is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E. AEC is not a subsequence. The characters are not in the right order. Okay, a couple more examples. Constraints S and T consist only of lowercase letters. That's good to know. This is rated as easy. And the topics, two-pointer string, dynamic programming. Dynamic programming seems like overkill probably for this problem, but we could do a two-pointer solution. Let's see how that would work. All right, so these are the two strings from example 1. Top one is S, bottom one is T. We can do this with two pointers. So if we started with a pointer here and here, one pointer for each string, what we're going to do is, if the characters match, we'll advance the S pointer. Whether the characters match or they don't match, we'll always advance the T pointer. So in this case, A and A, that's a match. So we're going to advance this pointer, going to advance this pointer. B and H, not a match. So we're just going to advance the T pointer. Now we have B and B. That is a match. So we'll advance the S pointer and the T pointer. We've got C and G, not a match. Advance the T pointer. C and D is not a match. Advance the T pointer. C and C, that is a match. And if we can get, and we would advance the pointers at this point, and that is an indicator that we got all the way through the S string. If we can get all the way through the S string and match all those characters, then it is a subsequence. So that's true. Let's see how that looks if we code it. All right, let's see. We need two pointers. So let's do int I, initially 0, and int j, also initially 0. This is going to work better as a while loop because of the way that we're handling the incrementing the pointers. So let's say while I is less than s length and j is less than t dot length, if s dot char at I equals t dot char at j. All right, if the two characters are equal, increment the increment the S pointer, and we're always going to increment the T pointer. All right. After the while loop, return. Let's see. I equals S dot length. Because we are going to increment, like in the example, when the two C characters matched, we do increment the pointers. So this pointer is going to go to, in the case of the example, that pointer is going to go to 3. So that means we matched the last character in S. Okay, so if those are equal, it indicates that we have a subsequence. All right, those are, okay, basic cases work. Submit. Start the study. No, we'll do that later. Okay. 2 milliseconds. Looks like the most common result. Good on the memory use. It's just a couple of pointers. So, okay, this is not an uncommon interview question, to find a subsequence. So, good one to know. Feel free to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.